The Garo Hills Youth Organization President Nazmul Hashan is actively advocating for action against 100 illegal brick kilns in Meghalaya's West Garo Hills district. These kilns, identified from Hallidayganj to Chibinang, are causing severe health problems, particularly affecting children, women, and the elderly due to alarming levels of air pollution. Hashan has filed complaints with both central and state authorities as well as local law enforcement addressing the issue of unauthorized brick kilns. He highlighted the violation of the right to a healthy life, pointing out the administration's apparent failure to effectively tackle the problem. The burning of green bricks in these illegal kilns releases toxic smoke, posing a significant threat to public health. Despite Hashan's activism, there has been a lack of response from the district administration regarding the closure of these illegal brick kilns, some of which reportedly exploit child labor. However, in a recent development, on the 16th of January 2024, the Additional Director and Divisional Head Mpcb initiated a response. The Central Pollution Control Board directed the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board to investigate and provide Hashan with an action taken report signaling a potential resolution. Member Secretary Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board Dr. Chibinang informed that officials of the Mpcb had conducted an inspection confirming 40 out of the alleged 100 illegal brick kilns in West Garo Hills.
We from the office, we have tried our level best with full effort in spite of having shortage of staff. It's not a new thing. We have also taken action in the past. In fact, previously in the past, there was an NGT case on this matter, whereby we also actively involved in the matter. So again, this thing has cropped up. As you know, this is a seasonal operation. During the dry season, these things crop up, whereas during the monsoon, they are nowhere to be seen. So we also have received complaints, several complaints, and based on that, this office has sent a team of officers to investigate on the matter and find the fact findings. And accordingly, our officers have gone to the field and they have submitted reports which actually, whatever allegations are there, they are true. So in that case, they have, as per the field report, they have informed that in and around Baburambil, there are around 9 brick lamps, which is in West Garo Hills. And in the next location is Gorban Rajabala. Here, to a tune of 31 numbers are there. So immediately this office has issued a closure notice as per the provision of the Water and the Air Act. And additionally, the office has requested the office of the Deputy Commissioner of West Garo Hills to implement Section 144 so that our combined effort we can see some successful results.
Illegal brick kilns.
See, as we have freshly detected, okay, because in the past also we had detected, but freshly detected, so far we could come to a number of 40, but that is not the end. The list is long, but we are investigating it on a phase-wise manner because it's not possible to cover each and every area at one go. So we are also shortage of manpower, and we don't have a regional office in Tura to be fully functional. So we are in the effort of setting it in a very near future. So that way, our effort is still going on, and phase-wise will come. Now is in West Garo Hills, and in that near future, we will move to another district's playing belts. So by that time, the number will increase. Maybe it will match for whatever they have. As you must have seen recently in the newspaper, one particular NGO's leader was suspected by them to have been kidnapped by this, so to say, Brooklyn Mafia. So that is very clear from here. So far, we have not requested, but I'm sure whenever we request, they will. Because so far, I have not received complaints from our officers that they need protection. As and when they request for protection, definitely we will seek the help of the police and administration.
No, you just mentioned brick mafia, no, that's right. So maybe there will be a risk also for the staff of your staff to go to the field when they go for a proper inspection.
And that's what see. They themselves they have gone to the fields. They have not requested for any protection. So that's what. As and when they see that we are in danger, definitely. And I'm sure the police also will be there to help us.